Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Code Like Coder. Today we are going to discuss what are the things we are going to cover in this Python course. So first things we are going to cover introduction to Python, where we are going to discuss about what is Python and how it develop and what is the requirement and features and benefits of Python. And here also I will cover installation of the Python and will write our first Python programming language. Then we are coming to language fundamental. In language fundamental, we are going to cover identifiers and different data types, keywords, typecasting between the data types. Like suppose one data is into there, how we are making to string and string to int. So these are the things we are going to discuss in language fundamental. Then we are going to cover about the input and output statements, where we are going to discuss about how user how we are performing different operation by taking input from the user directly. And then we are going to cover about the Python operator, where we are covering various kind of operations, mathematical operation and some logical operation in this section. Then we are going to discuss about the main data types of in all the language mainly we are dealing with this kind of data type. So first is string, then we are going to cover list, then we are going to cover set, and then finally we are going to cover dict. So these are the main data types in the Python. So we'll cover one by one, even we'll do many different logical problem in this section. And then we are going to come to function. In the function we are going to cover what is the function and how we are going to define a function and how we are going to write a function, like how different how we are performing different logical things, how we are writing the code inside the function. So many things we are going to cover, even we are going to cover decorator and generator in this section. Then we are going to come control flow. In the control flow we are going to discuss about various block like if, else, elif, while, for. And also we are going to discuss about the keyword like continue, pass, break, return, yield. So these are the keywords there we are going to discuss here. Then we are going to discuss about module and packages. module Module and packages. Here what is module and package, how we are writing the module and packages, how we are implementing it. So all of from the basic to scratch I will do one by one. Then we are going to cover OOPS concept, object oriented programming. This is the main concept in this whole Python, I would say. So in object oriented programming we are going to discuss about types of methods and variables are there. Polymorphism, in the polymorphism we are going to discuss about the doc type polymorphism, overloading, overriding. And also we are going to talk about the inheritance, type of inheritance, and super method how we are using here. Then we are going to talk about method resolution order. And we are also going to talk about the abstract method, abstract class. Then we are coming to exception handling. Here we are going to discuss about the different block like try, accept, finally, else. So we are going to talk about these things and how we are handling the different kind of exception we are going to discuss here. Then I'm going to talk about like file handling and like in file handling, okay, exception handling, then file handling, exception handling, file exception handling, then file handling. In file handling we are going to work on different files, file like text file, csv file, some binary file also we are going to cover in this section. Then we are going to cover like database connection, database fundamental, you can say database fundamental. So in this section, in database fundamental, we are going to cover like how we are writing the codes to communicate with our database. Out, mainly will cover like Oracle database and MS MySQL database. I would cover this section here and how we are performing different operation in database and how we are controlling that operation. And also I'm going to cover regular expression here, regular expression and logging. So these are the main topics I'm going to cover in this whole course. Like if I fail anything again I need to add, so I will add in a bottom of this course. So as of now I will coming with my next video, so stay with me. Thank you.